Shona Ferguson, "It's embarrassing to see grown men interested in petty politics." Actor Shona Ferguson is usually lighthearted on social media, but clearly something upset the star and he decided to take to his Twitter page to vent. He said that it is embarrassing to see grown men who are fathers so interested in petty politics. "Stop gossiping about people. You are only hurting yourselves. You don't know how others do what they do or how they got to where they are," he wrote. He went on to give some advice to those caught up in gossip. "It's not your business. Focus on you.